Farmdale Foxes, Mrs. Spielman here today with another cool, easy recipe. And today I have a special guest. I have Jackson Spielman. He is my youngest son. He's gonna be coming to Farmdale next year in the 5th grade. And he said, Mom, I wanna make something with you today. And I said, let's do it, son. So we have a super easy recipe for you today. It has 4 ingredients, most of which you might already have at home. And I found this as I was scrolling through something on Facebook and it said super easy. So either it's gonna be great or it's not gonna be good. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna start by showing you the 4 ingredients it takes. Then we'll throw it all together, put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and voila, we will be done. So stay tuned. Let's make this lazy cake cookie. All right. Alright, so today for our recipe, it calls for a box of yellow cake mix. Now actually it says you can pick white or yellow cake mix. I am more of a yellow fan than a white cake mix fan, so that is why I picked yellow. We are going to have 2 eggs that it says beaten, so we're going to crack those eggs and beat them and put them in the ingredients, and it says 1 stick of melted butter, so we're going to melt that stick. And it called for 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now, in 1 cup is 8 ounces, so we would need 16. Now in my cupboard, whenever chocolate chips are on sale, I typically buy them because we'll use them up around here. So I had a bag of the Ghirardelli ones and they were on sale. That's 11 ounces. And then I had another half a bag. So what I'm gonna do is just throw this together. It might be a little more than 2 cups, but what's wrong with more chocolate chips? The more the better. So we are going to throw these ingredients together and we're gonna put them in this baking dish, and actually I think I said 30 minutes earlier, but it's only gonna take us 20 minutes to bake. So quick and easy. So let's put our stuff together. All right, we bought a new camera, so we're messing around with this new camera and trying to figure out all this. So hopefully the sound is good and hopefully this comes out okay. But we are going to start, we're going to get started. So what we're going to be doing is throwing everything together. So we're going to be beating the 2 eggs, we're going to be melting the butter, and we're going to be mixing it all in this bowl, and then we're going to put it in our pan. So we're going to get started. Alright, so Jackson and I have mixed up the batter. It smells like a cookie and it is nice, and it's not super soft, not runny. So we are going to put this in the pan and then we will put it in the oven. Okay, alright, we have Jackson here flattening out our lazy cake cookie, and he is about to put it in the oven. It smells really, really good, so I hope it tastes as good as it smells, but we will find out tonight. All right, Jackson, that looks ready to go in the oven, so go ahead and put that spoon into, yep, and let's put that in the oven. All right, so you can see we are cooking at 350. We're gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. So go ahead and Jackson and set that timer.
This one?
Yep. All right, so we are all set on the timer for 20 minutes at 350, and we will be back in about 20 to see how it looks. All right, so as you can see, we just finished up. The timer is off. Jackson is taking it out of the oven. He is going to put it on the counter. It looks like a cookie cake, that's for sure. So here's what we've got. There's our finished product. So we will be back later when we try it. We're gonna let it cool for just a tad and then try it. It is best when you have a chocolate chip cookie to eat it when it's still warm. So we're just gonna let it cool off a little bit and we will eat it here in just a few. So we'll see if it's any good. All right guys, so as you can see, this is our cookie cake. It looks delicious, it smells really good. So we're going to, it's still warm, and again, for this kind, cookies are always great warm. So we are going to dig into it and we will let you know how it tastes. All right, so Jackson and I are here. We are going to try this out. So.
It's yummy.
It is delicious, it's gooey. You know, take this, make it into a sundae. Even better, add some ice cream, add some Cool Whip, sprinkles, all kinds of stuff. This is really good. 4 ingredients, that's all. 20 minutes, simple, easy, great dessert for your family. I hope you try it. Send me a picture if you do. And I thank my Jackson for helping me out today. You will see him around Farmville next year. So make sure to tell him hi. And everyone have a great day. Bye.